Hi guys, I have a melon fruit here, and in this video, wala, i-flex ko lang yung melon. Okay, so what is the advantage of eating melon? Ayan. Guys, yung melon guys, ang napakagandang benepisyo na nakukuha nito ng anak ko. Pag pinapakain ko siya, pinapainom ko siya ng melon shake, is yung constipation niya, nare-relieve talaga. Okay? It's very important kasi it's rich in fiber. Melon is very rich in fiber. And this can help combat constipation, okay, among adults and children, okay. So, at the same time, loaded with vitamins and minerals, okay. So, as much as possible, we need to buy melon kasi maganda talaga siya sa ating digestion. Very, very, very healthy. Diba? Mura lang naman eh. Bakit hindi natin, isabay sa ating diet, yung pagkain ng mga fruits and vegetable, lalo na yung mga medyo mura lang naman, okay? So, bye and thanks for watching. Gawa kayo ng melon shake kasi kung bibili kayo sa labas ng melon shake like the last time we bought outside, kakaramputan yung nilagay na melon. And how much is the cost of that? 109 pesos, okay? So, what if you buy like this? You just need to add condensed milk and water. Marami na kayong makakain, okay? And yung nutrient requirements talaga makukuha mo sa binili mong melon, okay? Kasi yung sinabi nga natin na we bought outside, mas marami doon ang yellow eh, ice, okay? We're talking about ice. So kaya nga yan, abangan nyo guys, gagawa ko ng melon shake ulit. Favorite ng anak ko to kasi yung anak ko kasi meron siyang peristalsis, yung slow yung moving ng kanyang stool, okay? So, from time to time, kailangan ko talaga siyang i-feed ng mga rich in fiber food, okay? Bye and thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video. God bless.